Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Auth Game Banned Rust. A. Steam Auth Game Banned message means your account was banned by FacePunch Rust developers, not Steam. This ban usually occurs due to cheating, exploiting, or violating game policies. It is a game-specific ban. You can still access Steam and other games. You need to confirm whether the ban is permanent or temporary. Now, open Steam, go to your library, and right-click Rust. Select Properties and click Installed Files. Then, choose to verify integrity of game files. Restart your PC and ensure your SteamGuard is enabled. Avoid using third-party mods, injectors, or cheat software. Here, visit the FacePunch support website and log in with your Steam account. Submit a support ticket explaining your situation clearly and honestly. Include your Steam ID and any evidence if you believe the ban was a mistake. Lastly, wait for a response. If denied, you'll need to create a new account to play Rust again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.